Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to create a poll in iMessage on iPhone iOS 26. Let's have a look. Before I start, make sure you are using iPhone iOS 26 or later. First, open Messages app on your iPhone. Open any group chat or create a new one. Tap plus icon on bottom left. Then choose Polls. Here you will see choice 1, choice 2 and choice 3. Also you can add comment, send. Type your question, for example, what is the best smartphone brand? Then tap the choice 1 box and enter the first option. Add at least 2 options for the poll to work. As you add more options, you will see next choice box appear. You can add up to 12 options. When options added, you can tap blue send button. Then you will see your created poll. Group members can vote in the poll to vote by selecting their preferred options. Results are updated in real time. Whenever someone votes, you will see their profile picture next to the option, so you can easily track who prefers what. So these are the steps to create a poll in iMessage on iPhone iOS 26. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.